What's up, y'all? I'm gonna just break down a quick trade I took today on NQ and pretty much how I took my entry and what I seen. So first off, this account is in deep drawdown, so I decided to go with just the most minimal amounts of minis just because I don't want to risk losing too much. I can start upping that risk as the account does come out of drawdown. So pretty much, let me break down what I seen today. So pretty much, we are on a bearish momentum. We are working our way down there. But if we do go on the 4 hour, I did notice that there is this 4 hour fair value gap here that the market is tapping into and rejecting. So my first bias in the morning was to go for buys off this 1 hour fair value gap. So essentially what I was looking at here is it taps into that 1 hour. I didn't see any SMT, but it is what it is. And once it taps to that 1 hour, it's supposed to go for a buy off here for a change of state, but I did end up missing that entry. But I did notice that there was a 15-minute fair value gap here, and also buy side liquidity also resting right under it. I didn't even bother looking for SMT. Is there even? Wow, look at that. There was SMT. So since there was SMT there too as well, that was a beautiful confirmation. I didn't even look for SMT, yo. I just looked at triggers. I was like, yo, it tapped into. I seen strong rejections. I'm like, buyers are slowing down, sellers are coming into the market. Let me take my buy now. So again, once it tapped into that 15, I waited for that change of state. So you guys can see here, I waited for that change of state, but I forgot to put my stop loss. So I had to close out of that and then go back for re-entry. And yeah, so here we are with this trade. It did end up closing for a 1.5, I believe it was. Yeah, it ended up closing for 1.5. Next time we will be aiming for 2R, just to keep the momentum going. So if we do lose, it's so we lose one, right? So we lose a 1R. If we win, we win 2R. So minimum I'm going for next time is either a 2R or break even. That's how we're doing it next time. So for tomorrow's trade or this afternoon's trade, we're going for a 2R, and then we're just going to keep that momentum going until we do end up getting out of drawdown here. I don't want to be spending too much time on an eval, but it is what it is. You save up, you make an eval, you got to make sure you do it right. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade I did take today. Hope you guys did like this video. Like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.